Mr. James is calling Ms. Rodriguez, the director of the Polytechnic, to inform her that he is sick and cannot work today. She needs him to send the lesson plan and course materials so another teacher can take over.
Good morning, Ms. Rodriguez. I'm calling to let you know that I'm not feeling well and I won't be able to come to work today.
Good morning, Mr. James. I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong? Are you very sick?
Yes, I have a high fever and a sore throat. I visited the doctor and he advised me to rest at home for a few days.
I see. Please take care of yourself. Do you know which classes you were scheduled to teach today?
Yes, I have 2 electronics classes today. One with the second-year students at 9 a.m. and another with the third-year students at 11 a.m.
All right. Since you won't be here, I need you to send me the class topic, the lesson plan, and the course program for today. That way, another teacher can take over your classes.
Yes, I have everything prepared. Today's topic is Introduction to Digital Circuits. I'll send the slides, class notes, and activities in an email right away.
Perfect. Please make sure to include the course schedule so the substitute knows exactly what to cover.
Of course, I'll send everything in the next 10 to 15 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. James. Do you think you'll be able to return to work tomorrow?
I'm not sure yet. I'll rest today and see how I feel. I'll let you know this evening if I can return tomorrow.
That's fine. Please focus on getting better. Your health comes first. Let me know if you need anything.
Thank you so much, Ms. Rodriguez. I appreciate your support. I'll send all the class materials shortly.
Thank you. Take care, Mr. James. I hope to see you back at work soon.
Thanks again. Have a good day.
You too. Get well soon.